y'all, so we about to go to Juicy Crab. These two.
Juicy baby.
We moved in. I'm really tired. We went to work this morning. Then it made me mad, but it's all gonna be over with. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all at Juicy Crab.
I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch with my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me. Say you was the one that I love you. So who could please you? So who can kiss on the road you?
Oh my God, you can't drive any slower.
The police is right there.
Oh shit. Oh, look, girl, don't run out on the street.
Go to Juicy, baby.
We gotta go to Juicy. We don't have time for altercation.
Juicy Crab, baby.
Oh, I was not. No, they're not waiting, y'all.
I'm about to run this bitch over. Y'all, this lady about to move with her Corolla right in the front.
Hold on, y'all. Cause you know this is aggravated. I'm aggravated. They gonna make me eat my Krispy Kreme first, cause we gonna get Krispy Kreme after this. For a treat.
They better move, cause I ain't moving. I don't even know what they about to do. Like, I could go around.
This is pissing me off.
What is this?
White people.
Get y'all goofy asses in the car.
Tomato sense. Why you see me standing here, huh? Yeah. Okay. People coming. Look. Look at the dumb ass right there. Oh. Okay. Dumb ass. Hurry up, stupid. Oh my God. What is this? Wait, what is this? I wish I could order a drink.
Me and Bree like we got some time for things.
I look fine, thank you. I feel good. I feel good.
Right now, we're
What, an hour and 30-minute wait? We are at Wally World. I'm low-key scared to be here right now, but because they've been talking about, I feel like they were saying this everywhere. They keep saying like, oh, there's a reporting that there's gonna be shootings at Walmart on the weekend, but that was in Columbia. I don't know about Augusta. We're in Augusta, by the way. Everybody stay safe out there.
Where we getting from Walmart again?
Things.
I gotta be, hey, hey.
Like the one China guy. Ooh, was it strawberry thing?
Oh, here you go.
Ooh, yes.
Vanilla.
Ooh, what's vanilla caramel?
The must be gonna buy this stuff. Currently finding cheap bras, and we is going in because. Wait,
cups.
let me zoom in on your egg.
They don't have A
Must
cups.
be nice.
Meanwhile,
Boom.
And
we gotta hurry up and get the juice grab for our freaking spot we taking. Hurry! What the? The long ass wait. I'm ready to.
The thing, they better give me some good sauce.
Okay.
Like the last time I ain't have no sauce.
Let's see if this water tastes right, y'all. Cause last time it tasted weird.
It tastes a little better this time.
Exactly. The water was nasty. Hey y'all.
That was too
It tastes okay to me.
Not gonna say it's a 10, but
I ain't using gloves.
Don't say nothing to me.
I go raw, baby.
I'm gonna roll it up.
bye. I need another bib.
Tia, ripped her bill.
Where's my calamari? Where's my calamari? Juicy. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna make it a thing. Like every video, no matter what I'm doing, I'm gonna ask like a topic question. So for this video, my topic question is: if you had a significant other that went to jail for 5 months, would you hold them down? That's my question. Comment down below if you would hold your significant other down, female or male, if they went to jail for 5 months.
It depends on
And
how
I might tell you my opinion. Some of y'all probably already know.
Yeah, 5 months.
We'll see how I feel about eat this food if I'm gonna support y'all.
Like, we was in love.
I'm waiting on this all day. It's 9 o'clock. Shout out to Slay by Maya for doing my hair. I really appreciate it. It's so cute.
Wow, that hurt. Don't come over here if you're not coming with my food.
We got calamari, y'all.
What's that red sauce?
Probably tartar sauce.
Cocktail.
I mean, not tartar.
Let me taste a little bit of both.
Is it ketchup? Cocktail.
I think this is like cocktail. Cocktail?
Look at this time. Focus. Focus. Juicy.
I'm ready to eat.
Sorry.
I'm worried about food. It's hot food.
I'm ready to offer them to these.
Dripping.
Oh my god. It is sweet.
I had to fight back this spice. Look, my damn nose. This cannot be a first date place. It's on God. I'm gonna show my ass.
I don't want a first date here. I don't care.
I'm gonna show you the real me.
See the ring right now.
Man, real me.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop this video.
Talk everything about this family.
I can just focus. I can focus. So bye. Okay, y'all, so we're about to go back to the dorm and we are about to do sip and paint and make cookies and whatnot. Okay, y'all, so we're back in the room. I'm gonna give y'all a quick tour of our little apartment style dorm thing. This is the front door. And the first thing you see is Shauna's room, which she's in the shower, so I'm gonna go in there and I don't even know if she wants me to see her room, but whatever. Right here we got little shelves. Got some little cute signs and whatnot. Then we got the kitchen, stove, microwave, cabinets. I'm like the worst at this right now. Oh, I can't even open stuff. It ain't nothing in here really, y'all. Like random stuff. We got stove, sink, got dishes already, and the fridge, and our little table, trash can. And we said we was gonna do like, we eat different stuff, like make different stuff. We'll just write on here whatever we eat. This is the living room. Seriously, you doing it on purpose. Anyways,
No, I really was making this down.
got some couches and whatnot. Cute little rug, little TV, and some on that. This is our sip and paint stuff. Then we got our room. This is Jacadia's side. And this is my side. Super cute, super simple. I got my little thing. Without a funny story, y'all. I was unpacking. I was supposed to put my underwear and stuff in here. And there's no underwear because I didn't bring any. Because I'm stupid. But yeah, I'll probably do my makeup over here in the morning. It's like a big mirror for the closets right here. So I'm probably gonna do my makeup right here. It's a little makeup cup that I got from Five and Below. You're like really pretty. Go picture of me and my mama. And my Bible and my little prayer book and gold book thing. And a cute little card from my sis. And it's my bonnet, if you didn't know. So yeah, this is our room. And oh, forgot about the bathroom. This is so aggravating, y'all. The door is right here, and the bathroom door is right here. But this is the bathroom. And that's just the little yellow stuff. Simple, small, whatever. Yeah, sitting ain't.
Well, you touching yourself, so.
Right.
Oh. Well, let's put the camera like this so you can. So everybody can see him.
Oh, that's up where it's strong.
But it's good though. You on YouTube? Stupid.
Alright, y'all.
Water cup to rinse our brushes off. I forgot.
Let me turn up your YouTube one time.
No, thank you.
I know.
Mantra, you got it.
Yeah, we'll call you later. Bye.
went to a sip and paint without the silk.
Here ain't it?
Yeah, no, in Colombia.
Really?
It was for somebody's birthday. Why would you do a sip and paint
Without
the silk? The silk.
The question I asked earlier was if your significant other went to jail for 5 months, would you hold them down?
It depends on how long.
And I said that I would answer the question. The answer is hell no.
What if it was somebody you was deeply in love with? Can
I
we say names?
What if it was the rapper?
I probably try.
Y'all, can we say names or no?
Hell no.
I would probably try.
Cause y'all know I'm bold.
But that's
I would
5 months.
try to
out.
hold it down. If you say the name, I'm gonna just leave it out. So it don't
Okay.
matter.
Well,
The blue.
What about
wait.
that?
Like when I was in love with him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If he went, I would probably try. I would probably try my hardest.
What a
If it got really tough.
when you was in love with him.
I hold him down though, because I really did love him.
Yeah. I wonder.
Hombre. What's this hombre I can get?
Better blend it like them nail bars.
My God.
Okay?
Never have I ever.
What?
Never have I ever.
Let's
Like,
see.
never have I ever something.
Never have I ever got my ate. You never got your ass ate?
No. But if anybody wants to try, I'm not
It's
opposed.
DMs open, baby.
My DMs are open.
I'm gonna try. Never have I ever spit on somebody. I haven't spit on somebody on purpose. Like
You spit on somebody?
Really?
Why would you do
You
that?
get your ass because I heard. We was obviously fighting if I spit on her.
When did you, like, what was the
We
situation?
were fighting.
And you just decided,
to spit on her.
Yeah.
you gotta really hate somebody to spit on them.
Girl, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like I'll be her ass and it was like, bitch. Like no, it was like we was in the middle of a fight and I just started spitting.
Damn, sis. Damn, Ray Ray, you get spit on?
Never have I ever personally asked to do for his number in public.
Personally asked to do what?
For his number in public, like while the team of like 90 channel.
Oh, no, baby.
Never have I ever till it came. Happened to you?
Hell no.
It's a long road.
No. Never have I ever taken a nude.
Like I was trying to make never have I ever nasty. Like I'm confused.
I mean, you can be
So
like,
what else
anything.
you gonna say?
You can say one stuff that's not like sexual. Like dang, y'all just like trying to be aggressive.
Okay,
right
go
now.
ahead, breathe.
Never have I ever said the wrong name during sex.
No.
No.
I ain't that crazy.
First of all, if I don't know your name, I'm not gonna say that.
Bree talking about us, but she
Being
the
nasty,
one.
right?
I'm following y'all. That's why I said that because I'm following y'all. Y'all be-
Never have I ever failed a class in high school.
Oh, I was sipping before you said that, by the way.
No, I'm not gonna go to high school.
If you're the other class in high school, you're retarded.
Right.
Yeah, high school is really easy. Never have I ever slapped the shit out of niggas.
Ooh, shit.
Never have I ever fought a girl over a nigga. Oh, I'm fucking to my cup.
Hold up.
Bye, Bree for the picture herself.
Oh no, I really did.
Never have I ever got caught having sex on video or in person.
Say what?
Never have I ever got caught having sex on video or in person.
Like, yeah.
Never have I ever had sex with people in the house.
Had sex with what?
People in the house.
I was a freaking time.